do you think that cloud looks like? I think the cloud looks like a tennis ball. Well, I think it looks like a golf ball. Tennis ball, golf ball, tennis ball, ball. Nobody oxygen. Rocky has a serious vomiting issues. Yeah, but when he has to barf, he knows exactly where to care. Guys, why do you slam each other? It's pointless. He's a jerk. Hey, what is that speaker machine doing here? I can understand another man is. Looks like it is sent us to see who they are. Each of you must not slowly the same. One will find the cherries, the other will be eliminated. And follow the fire into the zero magic. The other is a bit. Whenever you use it, have your books when you have hands. However, the always have your books and things all the same for your books. Fire is safe with your books. Fire is safe with your books. How long have you had 12 babies? What's your sex? snooze again. So how we walk without nails? Oh, we might. In front of the talking mailbox. Yeah, we might. So the grapes won, the cherries got number 2, and the names lost again. Voters, vote off either firing, quitting, or tennis ball. The 2 with the most votes will lead the team. 1 will join the grapes. Maybe we should go down now.